Fit as a fiddle is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is in excellent physical health or condition. The phrase originates from the world of music, specifically from the violin or fiddle, which requires precise tuning and maintenance to produce a harmonious sound. The phrase has since evolved to convey a sense of vitality and well-being. When we say someone is fit as a fiddle, we mean they are in peak physical condition, exhibiting strength, agility, and endurance. This person likely engages in regular exercise, maintains a balanced diet, and takes care of their overall health. They are full of energy and vitality, ready to take on any physical challenge that comes their way. To be fit as a fiddle implies more than just physical fitness, it also encompasses mental and emotional well-being. The phrase suggests a state of overall health and happiness. Someone who is fit as a fiddle not only has a strong and resilient body, but also possesses a positive mindset and emotional stability. Achieving such a level of fitness requires dedication and commitment. Regular exercise, such as cardiovascular workouts, strength training, and flexibility exercises, helps build strength and endurance. A well-rounded diet, rich in nutritious foods, provides the necessary fuel and nutrients for the body to function optimally. Additionally, adequate rest and sleep are essential for recovery and rejuvenation. Being fit as a fiddle goes beyond physical exercise and nutrition. It involves maintaining a healthy lifestyle overall. This includes managing stress, cultivating positive relationships, and engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment. Mental and emotional well-being play crucial roles in achieving and maintaining a high level of overall fitness. The benefits of being fit as a fiddle are numerous. Physically, it enhances cardiovascular health, improves muscle tone and flexibility, and boosts the immune system. Mentally, it promotes mental clarity, reduces stress levels, and enhances cognitive function. Emotionally, it cultivates a positive outlook, increases self-confidence, and improves overall mood and happiness. Furthermore, being fit as a fiddle contributes to longevity and a higher quality of life. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. It also improves one's ability to perform daily activities and maintain independence as they age. In conclusion, fit as a fiddle describes someone who is in excellent physical, mental, and emotional health. Achieving this level of fitness requires a holistic approach that encompasses regular exercise, proper nutrition, rest, and emotional well-being. The benefits of being fit as a fiddle extend beyond the physical realm, positively impacting all aspects of life. So, let's strive to be fit as a fiddle and enjoy the benefits of a vibrant and healthy lifestyle.